Here are my 5 simple tricks that make my tattoo clients feel like VIPs. Ever wonder why some clients rave about their tattoo studio and come back for more, even without fancy marketing? It's not luck, it's about making people feel amazing. And today, I'm spilling my 5 go-to tricks that turn first-timers into loyal fans. I'm Sandy, founder of Insane Tattoo Studios and Tattoo. After 15 years in the tattoo industry, I've discovered that what keeps clients coming back isn't just killer tattoos. It's how you make them feel before, during, and after their session. These practical tricks are easy to copy, cost next to nothing, and works for any studio, especially if you work with guest artists. Let's dive in. First one is their welcome coffee. First impressions are everything. When a client walks in, I offer them a free coffee, made just how they like it. Not only does this instantly relax them, but it also sets the tone. You're not just here for a transaction, you are my guest. Most studios skip this tiny detail, but it's a game changer for loyalty. Second one, I have 2 questions for each client after they signed their consent form. When we are done chatting and the client is waiting for their artist, I never just leave them hanging. I always ask 2 questions. Do you have any more questions about your design or the process maybe? Are you comfortable with the artist's English, or would you like me to help with translating? Me or the receptionist stay until every detail is clear and the design is 100% discussed. No one leaves until there's zero room for confusion. This kills almost all future conflicts and shows you truly care. And here's a trick during the tattoo session that most people overlook. And here's a trick during the tattoo session that most people overlook. And that is like checking in mid-session. During the tattoo, I ask, how are you holding up? It's so banal, I know, and I also already know the answer. They're tired, most probably in big pain. And honestly, there's not much I can do to change that, but asking makes them feel seen and cared for, not just like a canvas. This simple check-in builds trust and empathy, even if it doesn't change the pain level. But what happens after the session is where you can really stand out. So here's my 4th trick. When a tattoo is done, I don't just explain aftercare. I make sure they get it in 3 ways. Verbally, like I explain it to them right after the session, spoken. The second way is on paper, so they can take it home. And then there's a third way, by email, so they can never lose it. Why? Because after a tattoo, your brain is pretty fried, mine at least. Most people forget half of what they say, and that's okay. This system means no panic messages at midnight, and your clients feel super supported. Also, Tattoo can automate these aftercare emails for you, and way more. If you book a demo with me through the link in the description, we can figure out if Tattoo would be a good fit for your studio too. So here's the final move that keeps people coming back. 5th is our VIP waiting list. Add the payment counter after their tattoo, because that's when they are most happy. I ask my clients, would you like to be on the waiting list for this artist's next guest spots? You'll get notified first before we announce it online. This makes them feel special and valued. Most say yes, and it fills up our guest spots before we even go public. This is literally the easiest way to guarantee repeat business. So, let's recap. Offer a personalized welcome coffee. Double check for questions and language needs. Check in during the session. Give aftercare instructions 3 ways. And invite guest artist clients to your VIP waiting list. These tricks cost almost nothing, but they make your clients feel like royalty. And that's what keeps them coming back and telling their friends. We want that. If you have your own signature move to make clients feel amazing, drop it in the comments. I want to hear about it for sure. And if you want more real-world tattoo business advice, hit subscribe so you never miss a trick. See you in the next one.